Perfect Python homework help. For any homework-related queries, call us at +1 678 648 4277. You can mail us at support@pythonhomeworkhelp.com, support@pythonhomeworkhelp.com, or reach us at https://www.pythonhomeworkhelp.com. 1. Select the correct option for a data set with 7 objects and an interval-scaled variable 1. We have the following measurements: f 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 8, 50, containing one outlying value. A. STD deviation, STDF, is more affected by the outlier. B. Mean absolute deviation, SF, is more affected by the outlier. C. STD deviation, STDF, is less affected by the outlier. D. STD deviation, STD_F, and mean absolute deviation, S_F, are having the same effect of the outlier. Answer: A. STD deviation, STDF, is more affected by the outlier. 2. Euclidean and Manhattan distances between the objects P, 0 and RR, 1, 2, 3, 2, 1, 0. A. 3.32 for respectively. B. 3.30, 5 respectively. C. 5, 3.32 respectively. D. 3.32, 5 respectively. PythonHomeworkHelp.com. Answer: B. 3.30, 5 respectively. 3. Discriminate analysis is: A. Unsupervised learning technique. B. Supervised learning technique. C. Both. A and B, D, none of these. Answer: B. Supervised learning technique. 4. Select the correct statement about the standardization in the following options. A. Standardizing the data always gives inefficient result while making clusters. B. Standardizing the data always beneficial during clustering analysis. C. The variables having an absolute value may not efficient after standardization during clustering analysis. D. Outliers cannot be detected by standardized data. PythonHomeworkHelp.com. Answer: C. The variables having an absolute value may not efficient after standardization during clustering analysis. 5. Dissimilarity can be defined as: A. How much certain objects differ from each other. B. How much certain objects similar from each other. C. Dissimilarities are non-negative numbers D, I, J that are small, dose to 0, when I and j are near to each other and that become large when I and j are very different. D. Both A and C. Answer: D. Both A and C. 6. Select incorrect statement about similarity. A. Similarity J typically takes or values between 0 and 1, where 0 means that I and j are not similar at all and 1 reflects the maximal similarity. B, C, I equals 1 AC. Similarities between variables can be defined using Pearson or the Spearman correlation coefficient. PythonHomeworkHelp.com. A. It is not necessary to transform the similarities into dissimilarities while data consists of the similarity matrix. Answer: It is not necessary to transform the similarities into dissimilarities while data consists of the similarity matrix. 7. Formula for dissimilarity computation between two objects or categorical variable is: here P is a categorical variable and M denotes number of matches. A D J PM slash P B D J equals PM slash M C D J equals MP slash P D D I J equals MP slash M. Answer: A D J PM slash P. 8. Which library is used for calculating distance measure in clustering using Python? A. Distance matrix. B. Sibi.spatial. C. Sibi spatial. PythonHomeworkHelp.com. A. Distance.matrix. Answer: A. Distance matrix. 9. Select some facts about k-means clustering. A. It comes under the Partitionerg method. B. Number of clusters are predefined for this method. C. Cluster similarity is measured in regard to the mean value of the objects in a cluster. D. All of the above. Answer: D. All of the above. 10. Select some facts about hierarchical clustering. A. A hierarchical method comes under either agglomerative or divisive algorithms. B. Hierarchical methods suffer from the fact that once a step, merge or split, is done, it can never be undone. C. A tree structure called a dendrogram is commonly used to represent the process of hierarchical clustering. D. All of the above. Answer: D. All of the above. PythonHomeworkHelp.com